If you've ever looked at your life and thought to yourself, I am doing everything right and I still feel stuck, you need to hear this. It's not your mindset, it's not your motivation, and it's definitely not your fault. I used to blame myself too. I used to think I'm not doing enough. I need to stay up later. I need to work harder. I need to try to juggle more. But it didn't matter how much I did. It just was not working. The truth was, I wasn't broken. It was just the system that I had been handed and taught, go to school, get a job, maybe freelance on the side, wasn't working for what the life that I wanted. I wanted to be able to raise my child myself, be a present mom, and still have financial freedom. No job was going to give me that. So I'm going to break down for you, here's what's really happening for moms when they feel stuck and what you can do instead. The first thing is you're following a system that doesn't match your values. Jobs, even remote ones, are still going to require full attention. You need time freedom. You need peace, right? You need to be able to put your baby down for a nap and be able to build something in those pockets of time around their schedule instead of on someone else's schedule. You're not going to find that working for someone else. And the second thing is that you were trained to be an employee, not an entrepreneur or a creator, right? You were trained to do a task, not build something for yourself, not to create income for yourself, but instead trade time for money. You need a system that is going to teach you how to build income around your life, whether you're asleep, you're breastfeeding, you're at the park enjoying mama life. Income is still coming in for you as you are living your life, and you can focus your task in those pockets of time around your family's schedule. And you might think you have to figure this all out on your own. I know I thought that when I first got started, that I needed to figure out and watch tons of YouTube videos to piece the funnels, the offers, the messaging together, right? I was lost trying to figure it all out until I found a community that teaches you step by step through this entire process on exactly what you need to do to get your business up and running. You don't see a lot of real examples out there. You either see the highly filtered, successful, they've already made it examples out there, or you see the get rich quick. But oftentimes you don't see people as they're going through the stages of their journey and growing. You need something that is going to hold your hand and guide you step by step through the entire journey from start to finish. You're not stuck because you're unmotivated or lazy. You're stuck because the old systems and the old ways that you were taught don't fit your life anymore. You need something that is going to fit into your life so that you can have an income and build it around your life and your family and your dreams and values. I found a simple system that teaches exactly this for busy mamas. It walks you step by step through the entire process of beginner stage, how to get started, all the way through making income and scaling your business. And it teaches you how to fit it into the pockets of your time instead of grinding 24/7. That is why I want to share it with you today. If you're tired of spinning your wheels and you want the exact same blueprint that I'm following, just comment stuck below and I'll be happy to send it to you. You don't have to do this alone anymore. There are solutions out there for you.